So if you want to record with both cameras on your Galaxy S23, and by both I mean the back camera and also the front camera, what you need to do is simply go into the camera, and once you launch the camera, you can slide across on this menu until you get to more, which shows more options, and then you want to tap on director's view. So tap on director's view, and that brings up the director's view, which basically shows both cameras. You can see this one is pointing out, and then this one, the selfie camera, is the one that is here. Okay, now if you want to switch them over, simply tap on that, and as you can see, that switches over the two cameras, and this one is now pointing up using the selfie camera, and the back camera is now pointing outwards, as you can see. Okay, now also you have a couple of options. If you tap on that, then you can actually change the orientation of the two cameras. You can have a split screen mode with both cameras showing in a split screen, and also you can have the option to have single view. Okay, tap on that, go back into the picture-in-picture or the dual camera video recording mode. Now you can also choose whether you want your phone to record or basically save the two videos separately, or save the video as it is showing right here as one video. So to do that, simply tap on this little icon here, and as you can see, save front and rear as separate videos, or you can tap on it again to save video as previewed, which basically means to save as it is showing right now. And that's basically how to use the dual video recording, or to record videos with both cameras at the same time on your Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching.